Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another webinar from My Lawyer in Spain. Today, I'm talking to my colleague, Patricia Rivas, who specializes in wills and inheritances, about how to find Spanish assets when someone passes away. So sometimes when someone passes away, the people actually inheriting the property or assets in Spain, vehicles, bank accounts, etc., do not know exactly what is included in the estate. And they contact us and ask us to carry out some searches. So Patricia, tell me what kind of searches can we carry out?
So yes, exactly, Alex. As you say, sometimes the heirs of the beneficiaries of an inheritance, they don't know exactly what they are going to inherit because maybe they didn't have the paperwork and documents. So what we can do is, with regards to the properties, we can carry out a land search in the land registry, and we can do it with having the name of the deceased. We can also use the identification numbers. We can also use the land register information if they have. So we have different options in case that the heirs don't know exactly what are the properties that they can have.
And what about the other assets, such as bank accounts, vehicles, and companies?
Exactly. So the most typical assets that someone is going to have, obviously, is a property and also a bank account, right? So with bank accounts, we will need the bank account details that normally the heirs are going to have for the beneficiaries because they can find it in papers and stuff. We can contact, having the bank account, we can contact the bank by using a power of attorney of the heirs, obviously, because they are going to request it. So we can request the certificate of balance at date of death of the deceased.
Okay.
We that's another thing important to obtain is the statement of the last month of the deceased, so we can see all the movement on the bank account of the deceased. That's another thing to do important.
Yeah. And what about if they've got a car, for example?
So if they got a car and they don't know the plate of the car, then what we can do is to contact the tax authorities of the place where the deceased was living, and they will be able to provide us with information. Because there is a tax for vehicles in Spain, so they are going to be aware about that information.
Okay. And any other assets, for example, if I was a director of a company.
Exactly. Another thing that is not too usual to have, but there are some people that they have also companies in Spain. So very similar to the way of the land registry with properties, we can carry out a search in the company's house of Spain, and it will confirm if the deceased have a company or not. And just by using the name of the deceased, we can obtain that information.
Okay. That's great. Thank you very much, Patricia.
No problem.